Have you ever tried to access an environment variable in your Kotlin application only to find yourself scratching your head? It can be quite confusing, right? Well, today, we're going to clear up that confusion and show you exactly how to read environment variables in Kotlin. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're looking for something in the documentation and it feels like you're hitting a brick wall. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced the same challenge when trying to find information on reading environment variables. So here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I read an environment variable in my Kotlin app?" They mentioned that they couldn't find much information in the core library's documentation, especially under Kotlin.system. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, why is this important? Environment variables are crucial for configuring applications, especially when it comes to sensitive information like API keys or database URLs. Understanding how to access them in Kotlin will make your development process smoother. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a handy tip that will help you manage your environment variables more effectively. To read an environment variable in Kotlin, the user can start by using the system class. This class provides a method to access environment variables easily. Next, the user should replace variable name with the actual name of the environment variable they want to read. This will retrieve the value associated with that variable. After retrieving the value, the user can check if it is null. This is important because if the environment variable does not exist, the method will return null. Finally, the user can run their Kotlin application to see the output. This will confirm whether the environment variable was read successfully. Fun fact: did you know that environment variables have been around since the early days of computing? They were created to help programs communicate with the operating system. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to reading environment variables in Kotlin is to use the config library. This library offers a type-safe configuration API that can gather properties from various sources, including environment variables. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always check if the environment variable is null before using it. This will help you avoid unexpected errors in your application. And there you have it. You now know how to read environment variables in Kotlin. Remember, checking for null values is key to avoiding errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more Kotlin insights.